Hey everybody, Midwest Picker here. I got Little Midwest with me. She's going to help me in this part of the video. So I know a lot of people are asking, how do I source? You and I used to go to thrift stores, flea markets, right?
Yep.
When's the last time we did that? A long time ago. So I'm not sourcing in person with my partner in crime here. What I do is I shop online. So there's lots of options. I'll put the words up here somewhere by the fire. I just noticed the ring is in the fire. I'll get rid of that. Highbid.com, shopgoodwill.com. You have Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. I have feelings about that. I tend to stay away from dealing with people, but you can shop. You can also do retail arbitrage. You can go to walmart.com, target.com, and they have clearance items on there. If you can get a really low clearance item with free shipping or low shipping, that's one thing you can do too. So I went on shopgoodwill.com. I watched Kat the Nurse Flipper. She's had pretty good success. So I went on there and I looked at the top 50 or the hot 50 or something like that. I also changed the search results to ending soonest. And that's probably your best bet for anything that was missed by anybody else. The problem is, the longer we're in this quarantine for the you-know-what virus, the more people are going online to do sourcing. More resellers are going online than ever before. But I did find this really cool sculpture. And I'm going to show you my old one here. This is my old sculpture that I got at a Salvation Army. This is by Austin Productions. I really didn't even know what this was, but it was only like $7 or $8, and I could just tell it was quality. I did look it up really fast in the store, and they sell anywhere from $80 to $200. So for $8, I thought, why not? So I bought this older one. I think I even made a video on this a couple months back. So because I had a little bit of knowledge on sculptures, Austin Productions, I saw this one, and Delaney is going to show you. I'll hold it up there. This one I saw on shopgoodwill.com. You can turn it maybe. I don't even know what the name is. I think it's called Sisters, but it's like two girls doing each other's hair. The description on shopgoodwill.com is not real detailed. They don't tell you any damage or anything like that. They try to describe it as best as they can, but it was only $8. So I bought it, and they shipped it, and I got it today. So the value is hard to tell. I found one on WorthPoint. I found one on Etsy. None on eBay. Anywhere from $25, $75, $80. I have no idea. So just for the fun of it, I'm going to put it up on eBay, probably $59.95 with shipping on top, and see what it does. It's got a little bit of age to it, a little discoloration, but there's no damage at all. That's the problem when you shop at shopgoodwill.com, is they do their best to describe stuff, but you could get it and it could have a chip, a crack, some kind of issue, so it's kind of a gamble. But that's not too bad. Do you think $8? Is it cute? Mm-hmm. Girls doing each other's hair? Let me show you how they shipped it, because I keep bringing up Kat and her Flipper. She bought a sculpture from shopgoodwill.com, and they didn't pack it very good, and they packed it with like newspaper, and it was just destroyed and broken a million pieces. But I'm going to show you what they sent it, so we'll set this here. So this is how Shop Goodwill sent this to me, and Little Midwest is going to help me. This is a big box, 12 by 12 by 8, probably 4 times bigger than the sculpture, and this is how much bubble wrap they put it in. So you take that. Alright, that's the first part. This is the second part. Yeah, so I got lucky. 50 feet of bubble wrap they had this thing wrapped in this ginormous box that's way bigger than the sculpture. So I got lucky. This time they did a great job. So that's enough. I was going to reuse that. So they did a good job for mine, but that's another gamble too. If you buy something fragile, you really don't know how well they're going to pack it. I got lucky. They packed it really well. So does that look like 50 feet? That's pretty awesome, isn't it? I was going to use that. All right, she needs to go do homework. All right, Little Midwest wanted to stay for what sold because she's learning reselling. She's going to be 18 soon. Maybe she'll get her own eBay account. She can start sourcing and selling too, but she's always learning, so she wanted to stay. So this is what sold, and she remembers me buying these, I think. So the first one is a Kyber lockback knife. I'll put a picture of it up here. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to block your face with pictures. I bought a knife auction from What the Hales, and I will put their picture up. I didn't make up the name, that's their name. I'll put their picture up and I'll link their channel down below. So they have an auction every Sunday night about 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I won a knife lot. In my previous video I did an unboxing with Little Midwest, and she really loved using that box cutter. She loved the power of doing that. So I won, let's see, I wrote it down. I won 42 knives. Half of them were brand new, half of them were used. I was more interested in the used ones because they were made in America and they're really valuable. This is the first one that sold. This one's made in Japan. But this one sold for $19.95 plus shipping on top. So I bought 42 knives for $206, which is how much per knife? Yeah. $4.90 per knife. So my cost of goods was $4.90 and I sold it for 20 bucks. Is that a pretty good deal? Mm-hmm. Pretty good deal. Next one is a Chapin, nobody knows, nobody cares, sprayer repair kit. I got so excited I unplugged the light. Sorry about that. The light might flicker or look differently now because I can't get it perfect. But anyways, sprayer nozzle repair kit. I still have one left. Let's see, I bought these at a thrift store. I actually sourced them for 25 cents a piece. I think on Instagram I put 50 cents. If you follow me on Instagram, you can find it real easy. Go to MidwestPicker.com. But yeah, I sourced them for $0.25 and I sold them for $9.95. So cost of goods is 25 cents. Sold it for $9.95 plus first class shipping on top. Super light, 3 or 4 ounces. It's awesome. Is that a good deal? $0.25 into $10?
You got it.
Would I trade you? Would you trade me $0.25 for 10 bucks? Yeah, of course you would. Next is a brass elbow. This cost of goods was $0. I talked about this in previous videos too. I bought 4 foot rail brackets for 10 bucks and I sold them for 90. And then the throw-in was an end cap and an elbow. So I put the elbow up for $15.95 and I took a best offer of $10 plus shipping on top. So that cost of goods was $0 into 10 bucks. The next one is the same thing, Chapin sprayer nozzle repair kit. This buyer, he bought 2 of them, so $17.95 or $17.90, so 50 cents into $17.90 on those. This last one is my home run. This is a Moen faucet replacement valve body. I don't know. I was wrong on cost of goods too. Instagram, I think I said $1. It was actually $1.50. So I paid $1.50 for this Moen faucet stem replacement thingy, and I didn't even look it up. I saw it in the thrift store. It was new in the package and it was Moen. So if you see Delta, Moen, those are high-end, very high quality plumbing replacement parts. And if you go to the Moen website, they're about $100 a piece. On eBay, they're all over the place, anywhere from $80 to $100. So I had 2 of them. So I listed them for $79.95. They didn't move. This is what we call a long tail item because you have to have that exact faucet that requires that exact part to sell it. It's not like a t-shirt. Anybody can wear a t-shirt, but a faucet valve replacement part goes to a particular faucet, so, or a valve or whatever. So it did sell. I put it on sale 30% off and it sold for $55.97. So I turned $1.50 into $55.97 and I still have one left. So that was my home run. That was a huge margin and I'm really happy about that. And I already talked about the Austin production. So put down in the comments if you know what that Austin production sculpture is. It's right there. The 2 sisters. Not real familiar with that one. It's hard to find. But if you have any questions at all, put it down in the comments. You can email me. That's down below. Give the video a thumbs up. And if you just landed here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. And then you'll get notified every time I make a video. And no glare on my glasses this time. So I'm putting in the contacts just for making videos. When I wear glasses and there's that glare, it drives me nuts. I look like an alien. But now if you've seen the movie Ring, I got this ring there. I got to fix that too. So I'm always fixing and improving. Any last words? No last words. Thanks for watching.